guys, thanks for coming to check out another Illusion individual crochet hair tutorial. So this one is featuring the Boho Babe Kai twists, and these are brand new and I'm super excited to try them out and share them with you guys. So let's get started with the braid pattern. This is a clip that I recorded previously for a different tutorial, but the braid pattern was still looking really good, so I decided to go ahead and keep it for these twists. So the braid pattern I used this time does have a middle part that has all individual box braid crochets, and in the front on the perimeter, those are all individual box braids as well. So only in the middle, in the front sections on either side, those are the cornrow sections, but all of the middle part and the perimeter are individual box braided crochets. So I'm just showing you how I achieve that braid pattern. So this is my Illusion braid pattern that I always do. If you guys want a more detailed explanation of how I get this braid pattern, I will link a super detailed video so that you can see how I get it, and I'll also link my playlist that shows you every single Illusion braid pattern video that I've ever done, so you can see really in depth how I get it. But I'm gonna stop talking so you can watch, and then I'm going to come back and tell you about these gorgeous twists. So here is the clips that I recorded for you guys for this tutorial. So I do have the Boho Babe multi-pack, and when you receive your multi-pack, you're going to get 8 packs of hair in the bundle pack. It's going to be 8 packs, and then in each of the packs, you're going to receive 12 twists, and this is what the twists look like. They're curly at the end, and they're very, very silky, and they have a beautiful high shine and beautiful luster. And what I love about these is that the loop is nice and big and easy to work with, so soft and easy to install. I love when the loop is big enough. It doesn't pull on my hair or add any extra tension. It's easy to go through the crochet hook and to go through my braids. So I just love when the loop is big, and Boho Babe is really, really great about that. Their twists are just so easy to work with. They're super slippery, super soft and lightweight, and they just have a beautiful luster and shine to them. They just look so juicy and healthy, and I love that about Boho Babe. This is my second time working with them, and I can already tell they're gonna be one of my favorites, you guys. And you can find them on Amazon, so their shipping is super duper fast. You can get them on Prime, so I'll definitely leave links down below to where you can check out Boho Babe for yourself and try out these brand new Kai twists, which are absolutely gorgeous. So here I'm showing you guys how I install the individual crochets. Now I am terrible at installing individual crochets, but I do know that they look really natural and really beautiful. So I wanted to do them in the middle part and on the perimeter. So when you do them, you go ahead and pull the twist and your own hair through the loop, create the knot at the bottom, and then you go ahead and thread the crochet needle through the pre-twisted boho babe twist, and then you're going to attach the end of the hook to your own hair and slide it through the pre-twisted boho babe twist. Now this part I didn't realize that I was out of the frame and you can't even see what I was doing, but you can see how the twist is like bunched up on the hook, and then my hair just slides through it. So I tried to show it again here, and I think you can see it a little better. So you basically just pull the lock through, and then you go ahead and grab your hair and the pre-twisted boho babe twist, pull all of that through and secure the knot at the bottom. And then you're going to use your needle, your crochet hook, to go ahead and thread through the boho boho babe twist, and then you're going to pull your own hair through the hook. So you guys, I went ahead and did my makeup, changed my top, put my hair in a half up, half down. I absolutely love it in a half up, half down. That's the way that I wore it mostly. I just love how it looks. It's just really giving like individuals, you guys. This braid pattern is like slaying, seriously. So I did want to take the hair down and show you guys the versatility of this braid pattern and how beautiful these twists look down. So I went ahead and showed you guys the middle part and a couple different other parting options. Again, if you guys love these twists as much as I do, check the description box down below. I'll definitely have links to where you can grab this hair for yourself. I'm also going to try to get a coupon code for you guys. So if you want to save a little bit of money at checkout on Amazon, then definitely use the coupon code if I'm able to secure one. And yeah, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're loving the content, make sure you subscribe. It definitely helps me beat this crazy YouTube algorithm, because we're definitely growing and glowing over here on the channel. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys loved the video. If there's something I missed or questions that you have, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I love interacting with you guys and chatting with you. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well. It's a perfect place to really chat with me and get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.